Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a vintage fade coloring for your edit in CapCut. So here I've already opened a video on my CapCut, and then what you guys do next is just go to filter, then click on the live category and then find the gingerbread filter. Okay, this one, and apply it to your clip and adjust it to 30, and then click on adjust and use this setting. For the contrast, increase it to 15, and then saturation, lower it to -25. Click on the sharpen and increase it to 100. Now click on highlight and increase it to 5, and then temperature 15. Lastly, add some fade effect into 100. And now you are done with the vintage fade filter. And that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.